Here's a quick video on changing the LED light on the back of the GL450. This is an X166 2013. Same procedure for 2013 to 2015. Anyway, the back is held in by these two tabs that are in the front and these metal clips on the back. You have to remove it, you have to push the entire thing to the front so that when you pull down on the back, you can see those metal clips, and then you push those metal clips. If you try to pull the back and you don't see those metal clips, they're just hanging on the inside, and you'll never be able to get it out. So the idea is that if you push it to the front, the back of the metal clips will be exposed, and then I just used a wedge tool to push it in and take it out. So here I changed one of the map lights to LED already. It's nice and bright, and the other one is the incandescent. You can see it's a bit yellowish. So I'm changing all three. They're all type 194 LED bulbs that I got from Antline. I've used these before all over the place in the GL, and then they work fantastic. No CAN bus errors. They also dim nicely as well. So these are just twist off. You twist off the bulb housing, remove the existing bulb, and then put in the LED bulb. And if it doesn't work, put it in the reverse side because they are polarity sensitive, I guess. So once you're done with that, then you just push in the front side, and then you push in the back side. So they work pretty well. And like I said, I just used a wedge tool to get out the back, and make sure you see the metal clips as you remove it. Thanks for watching.